May research pala na AI could potentially replace 14% of the jobs here in the Philippines. If you look at it, very significant siya. And it's because of the BPO industry. According to the IMF, the Philippines ranks 56 out of 188 countries in terms of AI readiness. And I thought na not bad. Pero since heavily dependent talaga tayo sa outsourcing, especially sa mga BPO, I think kailangan talaga mag-step up yung government in terms of helping Filipinos become more ready sa magiging change. This is happening right now. This is not something na pinoproject 5 years from now, 10 years from now. The big companies are literally laying off thousands of employees sa states yung mga tech companies. So what more dito sa Pilipinas? So with that, the government is already starting to act. President Marcos has approved programs to upskill 340,000 BPO workers every year and targeting 1 million upskilled workers by 2028. And on top of that, the government is investing 740 million pesos into upskilling initiatives for the IT and BPO sectors. So this is all part of a broader digital transformation push. So TESDA and DepEd are also rolling out training programs focused on AI and digital tech.